I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. On a run from my given disaster.
What's up guys? Welcome to my morning routine for school 2018 edition. So if your girl could have it her way, she'll probably wake up at like 8 a.m. every single day, but you know, we gotta get up, we gotta do things.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes.
So the first thing that I do in the morning after I have finally woken up and dragged myself off my pillow is listen to music. So I'll have my morning I'm so good at speaking. I'll have my morning routine playlist linked down below for you guys so you can check it out. But like legit, I think that if I don't listen to music in the morning, I am in like a slightly worse mood than if I did listen to music. So pro tip, if you guys are not morning people, listen to music.
I know. Boys be boys, I know.
And moving on into the bathroom, this is where I waste all my time in the morning. So this is normally when I'll brush my teeth, take a shower. Trust me, your girl showers, but for the sake of this video, I decided not to take a shower in this video. You know, trying to keep it PG. So I'll just brush my teeth and decide if I need to wash my hair. Honestly, I should probably wash my hair more, not gonna lie. But recently I've been using purple shampoo because even though my hair is brown, it's been looking kind of yellow, if that makes sense. Honestly, it probably doesn't make sense, but it doesn't look yellow anymore, so that's good. After I'm done in the bathroom is when I finally head out to do my makeup, and like seriously, my bathroom time should probably take like 5 minutes, but it takes like a good 25 minutes because I'm procrastinating. So once I'm done, I head out to do my makeup. And I obviously ain't no beauty guru, but like for some reason I find doing my makeup is like the funnest part of my morning routine. So I take my time, and even if I don't want to put makeup on, like it's kind of fun, so I just do it anyway. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see like an everyday makeup routine or a get ready with me for school. But some of my fave makeup products is like this eyeshadow palette by Tarte. It is so good. I wear the same brown eyeshadow from this palette every single day, even if I'm trying to be like fancy, which like honestly ain't that often. Okay, so normally I would leave my hair if it was still this curly from the day before, but seeing as you guys ask sometimes, I thought I'd tell you guys what products I use. So I use this texturizing spray from IGK. It's like so good if you have like flat hair or thin hair. Not sponsored. The hair curl that I use is by the brand T3 Micro. That's pretty much it. There's no technique. Your girl doesn't know what she's doing. Moving on, we gotta head into the kitchen because, you know, girls gotta eat. So I used to be the kind of person that would make like an acai bowl for breakfast, but your girl has gotten extra lazy recently. Actually, not recently. I've probably been eating this for like 6 months. I have been eating almond butter on toast with bananas, and it is legitimately the best thing that I've ever eaten. So if you guys haven't tried it and you're one of those people that think fruit on toast is gross, try it. It's so good. Trust me, it's a good time.
In the heat from a hot California. I forgot how you look like it.
Now that I made my breakfast, I'll normally just like head over and eat it somewhere in my house that's like tidy. So, you know, my dining table, my bed, my couch, the floor. Not gonna lie, done that before. And 100% I'll either put like Netflix on or watch YouTube for like a solid 30 minutes, at least like minimum 30 minutes, but like sometimes an hour. Leave me a comment down below though, letting me know who your favorite YouTuber is. At the moment, my fave YouTuber is Shane Dawson.
I keep on trying till it bends, still it.
And once I've finished spending like majority of my morning eating breakfast, procrastinating, watching YouTube, watching Netflix, going on Instagram, I will normally head into my bedroom and like attempt to make my bed. I have a question though. Does anyone ever make their bed and just be like, why am I making this right now? Like tonight, I'm gonna get back in it, mess it up anyway, so I may as well just leave it messy. Or are you like pro making your bed and being super clean? Let me know in the comments. I feel like I'm on the fence. I'm like in between both. I pretty much wear the exact same outfit every single day, like a different combination of denim shorts and a hoodie or a sweatshirt. So yeah, I like to keep it pretty basic because, especially if I'm like running late, like I'm not trying to think about what I'm trying to wear for longer than like a second. You guys probably already know, but like I'm not really trying to go anywhere without making some coffee. So I'm gonna make my coffee, and I'll either make it in Kane's coffee machine, which kind of takes longer, so if I'm feeling extra lazy, which is pretty much all the time. I feel like this video is just about how lazy I am, but I'll just make a like sachet caramel coffee. They're good, guys. They're my favorite. And recently I got myself like a little travel mug situation so I can take my coffee to go, have coffee literally pretty much all the time, and you know, environmentally friendly. But once I finish making my coffee, I just head on out the door and head to school.
Leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another
So that
night.
is it for my morning routine for school. Give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and also give it a thumbs up if you guys like other routines, like night routines, morning routines, just any kind of routines. And in the comment section, let me know what time you guys wake up for school in the morning. I try to wake up at 6:30 a.m. every single day and low-key hit snooze for like at least 30 minutes to an hour. If you guys are super bored right now, I'll have my back to school playlist linked down below so you guys can go check it out, and I'll also have my back to school giveaway. It's super cute. If you guys haven't already entered my back to school giveaway, then make sure to come follow me on my Instagram account. This is it right here. Come enter. And of course, if you guys haven't already hit subscribe or hit the post notification bell, hit it. It's a good time. You don't want to miss it. And I'll see you guys next time.